starting to get light around 10:25 a.m. when a tornado warning is issued. Based on Doppler radar, it means that strong rotation has been detected in the storm. A tornado may already be on the ground or is expected to develop shortly. If in mobile homes or vehicles, evacuate them and get inside a sturdy shelter. If no shelter is available, lie flat in the nearest ditch or on a low spot and cover your head with your hands. Motorists should not take shelter under highway overpasses. As a last resort, either park your vehicle and stay put or abandon your vehicle and lie down in a low-lying area. Heavy rainfall may obscure this tornado. If you wait to see or hear it coming, it may be too late to get to a safe place. Take cover inside now. Do not wait to see or hear the tornado. Move to an interior room on the lowest level of a sturdy building. Put as many walls between you and the outside as you can. Avoid windows. Protect yourself from flying debris.